Hello students, this is Mallanna. Today I am going to present the topic integers. It is the first chapter of class 7 mathematics. You have learnt natural numbers, whole numbers in your earlier classes. Let us recall them. To count objects, we use natural numbers. Natural numbers start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is denoted by the letter n. Now, we are adding 0 to these natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers. Now we are adding 0 to these natural numbers. Then this set of numbers becomes whole numbers. In whole numbers we have natural numbers including 0. So 0 is added to natural numbers. This set becomes whole number. Set of whole numbers is denoted by the letter W. Now integers. I am writing these digits as it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now I am adding some negative numbers. -4, -3, -2, -1. I added negative numbers to these whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this set becomes integers. The set of integers is denoted by the letter Z. Here there is no Z in the word integers. Here is G is there. Here G is pronounced as G. So that's why we use Z. So the set of integers is denoted by the letter Z. In the set of integers we have positive integers and negative integers 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are called positive integers. You can write +1 or 1. You can put plus or without symbol you can write 1. These are positive integers. -4, -3, -2, -1. These are negative integers. 0 is neither negative integer nor positive integer. So in integers we have positive numbers, positive integers and negative integers including 0. Now let us learn how to represent these integers on a number line. To represent these integers on a number line, first draw a line, put arrow marks, cut it into two equal parts. This is midpoint of this line. It is considered as 0. This is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is plus 5. -1, -2, -3, -4. The distance between any 2 points of these should be same. So +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 are called positive integers. -1, -2, -3, -4 so on are called negative integers. 0 is not a negative integer, not a positive integer. Neither negative integer nor positive integer. If we move right side of the 0, the value of integer increases. If we move left side of the 0, the value of integer decreases. Plus 2 means this integer is 2 units more than 0. Plus 2 means this integer 2 units more than 0. 1, 2. Minus 2 means this integer is 2 units less than 0. Addition of integers. Let us add 2 integers using number line. I am taking one example, 5 plus 3. Draw a line. Here I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. First, we have to locate 5. So here 5 means plus 5. 1, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. So this is 5. To this 5, I have to add 3 units. That means from this 5 I have to move forward 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. That means I come to the integer 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. In this way we add 2 integers on a number line. One more example, 5 plus of minus 3. First we have 5. So first we have to locate 5. Here is 5. 5 is here plus 5. Now we have to add minus 3. That whenever we find minus, we have to move backward. When we have plus symbol, we have to move right side of the 0. Negative sign means we have to move back to the 0. When we have plus symbol, we have to move right side of the 0. Now I have minus 3. So minus 3 means I have to reduce 3 units. That means I have to move towards 0 side or left of the 0 side. So 3 units I have to reduce. From here to here, 1, 2, 3. So I came to the integer 2. That means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Let us solve some questions from exercise 1. Write the integers between minus 5 and minus 10. To find integers between these two, I am drawing a number line. So here is 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. We have to find out integers between minus 5 and minus 10. So here is minus 10, here is minus 5. We get minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. These are the integers between minus 10 and minus 4. One more question. Write the integers between minus 3 and 2. So draw a line. Here is 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. We have to find out integers between minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 is here. 2 means plus 2. Plus 2 is here. These are the integers between them. So I am starting with minus 2, then minus 1, 0, plus 1. So minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. These are the integers between minus 3 and plus 2. Write the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Here is 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. This side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So after writing these integers, first we have to locate them. Minus 4 is here, minus 5 is here, minus 3 is here, plus 2 is here. Ascending order. To write ascending order, we have to write integers from left to right. So already we have put some circles here, dotted circles. First I get minus 5. This is the smallest integer. After that minus 4. Next we have minus 3. And finally we have plus 2. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, 2. This is in ascending order. Let us solve some questions from exercise 2 and 3. 8 plus of minus 3. Write 8 as it is. Plus into minus, that is minus. Write here 3. 8 minus 3. It is 5. Here plus symbol is present. We have to add both numbers. 11 plus 3, that is 14. First write 14 as it is. Plus into minus, that is minus. Write 6 as it is. 14 minus 6, it is 8. Subtract 6 from 14. That is 8. 17 write as it is. Minus into minus plus. So I am writing plus here. Write 14 as it is. 17 plus 14, that is 31. Next question. 32 write as it is. Minus into minus plus 18. 32 plus 18, it is 50. Now, here is minus, we have to subtract 28 minus 15, that is 13. Here, 28 is larger number, 28 is larger than 15. 28 has minus symbol, so we have to put minus symbol. So answer is minus 13.